Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on search result updates in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And if you scroll down at the Help and Settings section, click on the Settings button. And at the Push Notification Settings section, look for the Search Results Updates button and click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns blue, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.